Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a static shoulder slide, also sometimes called a lazy man shoulder slide, because the guy doesn't change sides with the lady as a normal shoulder slide. He actually stands still, though we're going to try and get the guys to do just something extra as well. Obviously you need to know how to do a shoulder slide already, so we'll put links to that in the description below, and apart from that you're going to be good. So we'll jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if we do this by the book, the guys stand still and the ladies do all of the walking and the guys are literally just on the spot. We'll teach it like that, but we're going to make a little adjustment at the end that is going to make life easier for everybody. It's going to make it feel nicer. So starting off, we go semicircle back. Guys are going to stay where they are. We bring the lady forwards so she's walking past the right hand side of the guy. We take the lady's hand and pop it onto the guy's shoulder. We hold on so the lady's linear motion becomes rotational motion, and at that point we can let go. The lady slides across. We give the lady a path down to the hand. She carries on down to the hand. We catch, return the lady because the lady's been turning right, so we need to go to the left and balance everything up, and we're done. We'll do the same thing from the other side and we'll talk numbers. Obviously, because it's a walking move, you could do it faster or slower, but this is going to be a good speed for most people. So we go back 1, we're bringing the lady in and latching 2, we're sliding for 3 and down to the catch 4, returning 5 and back 6. Now as Karen gets to my hand, I take the hand down a little bit to the left to help get her to face me, but the thing that I'm going to do from this angle to show you is, instead of the guy standing completely still and just expecting the lady to do everything, it feels nicer if, instead of the guy being stationary and the lady swinging around him, if you actually orbit each other. So what happens is, as I bring her in, I bring her forwards and I'm moving out of the way to the left, which helps swing her in as I then move over to the right, and I actually go away from her to help her get it down to the hand. So instead of this feeling of lady goes round guy, it's we go round each other. Okay, so let's try it out. Here we go. 5, 6, a static shoulder slide. We go a back, a latch, slide and catch, return and back. I hope that one's a good friend to you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. All of those things will make it easier for you to find the videos, and it will help promote the channel. So big thank you to everyone who does that. Music recommendation on the end, just a link to a music video that would be a nice tune to do this to in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.